सब्सक्राइब कीजिए नेहरा क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई विकास नेहरा welcome you all to our Nehra Classes YouTube channel, and in today's session I will teach you how can you configure online EPEL repository in CentOS or in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6, 7 and 8. But before that, let me give you the brief introduction about the EPEL repository. What is EPEL repository and why do we use it? Actually, EPEL is an additional package repository that provides easy access to install packages for commonly used software. This repository was created because Fedora contributors wanted to use Fedora packages they maintain on RHEL and other compatible distributions. To put it simply, the goal of this repo was to provide greater ease of access to software on enterprise Linux compatible distributions. Now the question arises, what is EPEL repository? The EPEL repository is managed by the EPEL group, which is a special interest group within the Fedora project. The EPEL part is an abbreviation that stands for Extra Package Enterprise Linux. The EPEL group creates, maintains and manages a high quality set of additional packages. These packages may be software not included in the core repository or sometimes updates which have not been provided yet. The EPEL can be used with the following Linux distributions: Red Hat Enterprise Linux, CentOS, Scientific Linux and Oracle Linux. Now what are the prerequisites to configure the EPEL repository? The first thing is that our machine should be connected to the internet while the configuration of EPEL and while the installation of the packages from this EPEL repository. And second thing, you must have the root or the admin or sudo access to configure it. Now let's proceed towards the configuration of EPEL repository in our machine. First of all, I will configure this EPEL repository on CentOS 8. This is the CentOS 8 machine on which I will configure it first, and after that I will show you the method how can you configure it on RHEL 6 and as well as on RHEL 7 and as well as on RHEL 8. So without wasting our time, let's get started. To configure EPEL repository on CentOS, you can run yum install EPEL-release command. This command will install the EPEL release package in the machine and create a repository for the same. And with the help of this repository, we can install the packages from internet in our machine. So for this purpose, you must have an active internet connection and you should log in the machine as the root user to configure the same. Here you can see that the packages are being installed in our machine, and after that a repository will be created, repo file will be created in the system. Now if I will run the yum repo list command, then you can see that there are several repositories created in the machine. With the help of these repositories, we can install any package easily from the internet. Let me show you. With the help of yum install command, we can install the packages from this repository. Let me show you. If I want to install stop package, so I will simply run yum install stop-y command. So this command will first check whether this package is present in any repository or not, and after that, if it is there, then it will try to install it in my machine. This process can take some time depending upon the speed of your internet connection. Now you can see that this stop package is being installed in my machine. So in this way we can easily configure the EPEL repository in any CentOS machine, whether it is CentOS 6, CentOS 7 or CentOS 8. Now I will show you how can you configure it in RHEL 6, RHEL 7 and in RHEL 8. To configure the EPEL repository in RHEL 6 machine, you should log in the RHEL 6 machine as the root user, and you have to make sure that the machine is connected to the internet. After that, you have to execute this wget command to download the package from the Fedora Project website. Before that, let me move inside the tmp directory where I will download this package. So I have downloaded the package. Now we will install this package to create the repository in our system, and for that we can run the rpm command to install the package. Don't worry about the commands, I will provide you each and everything in the description of the video. EPEL, the exact name of the package. The package has been successfully installed in our machine. Now if we will go to the etc yum.repos.d directory and long list the contents, there you will see two files with the extension as .repo. These two files have been created since we have installed the package, and now we have successfully configured the EPEL repository in RHEL 6 machine. Now I will show you how can you configure it in RHEL 7 and in RHEL 8. So first we will configure it in RHEL 7. To configure the EPEL repository in RHEL 7 machine, you should log in the machine as the root user, and you have to make sure that the machine is connected to the internet. After that, you should go in the /tmp directory where we will download the rpm file from the Fedora Project website with the help of wget command. I will provide you the commands in the description of the video. Now you can see that I have successfully downloaded the file in this /tmp directory. After that, we will install this rpm file with the help of yum install command. And after the successful installation of this rpm file, we will be able to create the repo files in the system. Now if you will go in the etc yum.repos.d directory, there you can see that if you long list the contents, you will find two files. These files are created here because we have installed the rpm file. Now if you will run the yum repo list command, then you will find that we have successfully created the repository here, and we have configured the EPEL repository as well. This process can take some time, and it will show you the details of the enabled repositories in the machine. Now with the help of these repositories, we can easily install any package which is required to be installed. Here you can see that these are the EPEL repositories which we have configured earlier. Now if we need to install any package from these repositories, we can simply install it by using the yum install command, yum install -y as stop. So this command will install the stop package in the machine from the EPEL repository. So in this way we can easily install the EPEL repository. We can configure it in the RHEL 7 machine. Now I will show you how can you configure it in RHEL 8. To configure the EPEL repository in RHEL 8, we have to repeat the almost same procedure which we have followed in RHEL 6 or in RHEL 7. Here, after logging in the machine as the root user, we have to make sure that the machine is connected to the internet. After that, we have to follow these steps which I am going to show you. First of all, we have to run this dnf install command to install the RPM file from the internet. What this command will do, this command will install this RPM package in our machine, with which we will create the repo file in the system. Press Y to continue. Now you can see that the package is being installed. After this step, we can verify the installation by using rpm-qa command. Here we will grep EPEL and it will show us whether the package has been installed or not. So here the package is installed successfully. You can see these details here. After verifying, to list the packages that constitutes the EPEL repository, we can run this dnf disable repo -- enable repo command like this. The process will take some time, so we can wait. After this, for instance, to search for the package, we can run the below command. For example, if I want to search the stop package in the repository, I can simply run this dnf -- disable repo -- enable repo list command to search the package. Let the process complete itself. After that, I will show you. It is taking some time because of the slow internet connection. The process has been completed. Now I will show you how can we search any package. For that, we can run dnf -- disable repo equal to * enable repo EPEL and list available, and then we can grep the package name which we want to search. So this command will simply show us whether the package is available there or not. And to install the package, we can simply use dnf install or yum install command to install the package. Dnf install stop. So this command will install the package from the EPEL repository in our system. Press Y to continue, and after that the package will be installed in the system. So in this way, you can easily install any package from the EPEL repository. EPEL is the very important repository, especially for those packages which are not available in the local yum repository in the system. So guys, I hope from today's video you would have learned how can you configure the EPEL repository not only in CentOS based machines, but also in different versions of RHEL like RHEL 6, RHEL 7 as well as in RHEL 8. If you like the video, then do like it, share it with your friends, and if you are new on our channel, then subscribe us and turn on the bell notification. I will keep such type of videos coming for you guys, and I will see you in any other session. Till then, bye bye, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, take care.